Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling.
A claps. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieve distressed soft locks. I started off by parting her hair from ear to ear and then down the middle. And I use BTL Braider's Gel for this style. I start off by parting my client's hair and braiding it into plait, and then I go ahead and attach the lock by slipping it onto one of the third pieces of the braid. You will see me continue to use the knotless method throughout this whole video. And now I'm using my crochet needle to crochet the spring twist hair into the plait. I separate a small piece of the spring twist hair to wrap around the base of the lock. I usually wrap about 3 to 4 times to make sure that it's secure. Then I wrap down about 3 to 4 inches, creating a regular soft lock. And then I grab another piece of my spring twist hair, and that's where I start to create the distressed lock. I usually add about 1 to 2 extra pieces to each lock to make sure that the lock itself is full. When wrapping for distressed locks, you want to create a space in between each time you wrap around the spring twist hair. I'll show in other clips on how to create this distressed look. Now that the back is done, I'm going to start on the front of her hair and make sure that her part is in the middle. After parting her hair into 2 sections, I start plaiting and braiding the locks onto her hair. Take your crochet needle and crochet the spring twist hair into the plait. Take a small piece of the spring twist hair and wrap it around the base 3 to 4 times. Continue to wrap down by using the regular soft lock method. Grab another piece of spring twist hair and then continue to wrap down, but this time create spaces between each time you wrap the spring twist hair. Keep creating gaps and spaces down the entire lock. The rest of the video, I'll continue to show clips of how to distress the locks. I'll have a vendor list dropping soon, so if you want to know what hair I use in this video, stay tuned for that.
slaps.
In this clip, I'm going to be slowing it down a little bit and showing you how I create space in between each time I wrap the spring twist hair around a lock. Try not to wrap super tight when doing this method so it's easier to leave space in between. Ended up running out of storage while recording, so I didn't get too much footage of the end, but I did get some pictures.
Slaps.
That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.